Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Galung Octavian Utama Putra. In here, I want to explain about why you need to upgrade hard disk to an SSD right now. What is hard disk and solid state drive or SSD? Hard disk is essentially a metal platter with a magnetic coating that stores your data. Whether weather reports from the last century, a high-definition copy of the original Star Wars trilogy, or your digital music collection. A read or write head on an arm access the data while the platters are spinning. A solid-state drive or SSD is a new generation of storage device used in computers. SSD replaces the traditional mechanical hard disk by using flash-based memory, which is significantly faster. I want to explain the benefits and advantages of solid state drive or SSD. 1. Faster read-write speed than hard drive or hard disk. One of the notable pros or advantages of a solid state drive over a hard disk is speed. SSD are 25 to 100 times faster than hard disk. Note that an hard disk needs extra time to read or write data as it moves its magnetic head over a spinning metallic platter. This mechanism also fragments the arrangement of data. Nonetheless, an SSD is inherently faster due to the absence of mechanical parts and fragmentation, thus translating to faster boot times, quicker file transfers, and better bandwidth. 2. Energy efficiency. SSD consume less power than hard disk. Remember that hard disk has moving parts. This means that it requires additional power input to do mechanical work and become operational. SSD does otherwise. Energy efficiency is one of the reasons why solid-state drive or SSD are ideal storage mediums for computers and other mobile devices in which battery capacity and battery life are critical technical specifications. 3. More compact than hard disk. Small form factor is also an advantage of a solid-state drive. Hard disk is naturally bulkier due to its magnetic head and metallic disk plates in an enclosure. On the other hand, an SSD is made up of small integrated circuits. The compactness of SSD has made it suitable for ultra-portable laptops and consumer electronic devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. In here, I want to explain the limitation and disadvantage of solid-state drive. 1. More expensive than hard disk. One of the major cons or disadvantage of solid-state drive is the price. SSD is more expensive than hard disk in terms of dollar per gigabyte. Specifically, An SSD with a similar storage capacity as hard disk can be twice as expensive. Computers and other devices equipped with SSD are generally more expensive. This is due to the added manufacturing costs from procuring solid-state drive. 2. Smaller base storage capacity. The base storage capacity of hard disk is now at 500 GB, and manufacturers are pushing to standard a higher capacity amount to 1 terabyte or more. On the other hand, the best storage capacity of SSD is 64 GB and 128 GB. This is notable limitation of SSD. Note that is limited base capacity is the reason why entry-level computers equipped with SSD have smaller available storage space. Although there are SSD with a capacity of 4 TB and up, they are either rare or very expensive than hard disks. 3. Less available than hard disks. It's easier to buy hard disk drive because they are readily available in most computer and consumer electronics retailer. Furthermore, the market for hard disk is flooded by a large number of manufacturers. SSD are not only more expensive but are also hard to find, especially those variants with higher storage capacity. That's all my explanation. If there are mistakes, I want to apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.